Today we're going to be talking about Salt Shift, the ultimate off-road car kit. I am not affiliated with this company. I have purchased it to make use of it for myself, but I am very happy to share. Good morning everybody, it's Callum again from Two Bots and a Dog. A couple of people have actually asked me how I keep my car nice and clean, so I thought, well, I'm not going anywhere at the moment, so let's do some work and clean this little beast. So stick around, I'll show you exactly how and what I do to keep it spotless. Right, I'll tell you one thing, I really like this. This is really, it just blows all the out of the chassis, and I've just ruined the windows. So let me take this out because it's magnet. That's what's actually happening. Right, let's try. But what I'm going to have a look at all the dirt. Right, now I'm going to put soap in. Look at that. Look at all that mud. It's coming and cleaning out the whole chassis. That's pretty impressive. Just doing it on the other side. You can actually see how dirty that water is. Wow, I'm pretty impressed. Right, so that's keeping it all nice and clean, rust-free. Right, let's do the next little stage. So the next thing I do is to clean underneath the chassis. And this one, give you an idea. Right, let's clean underneath. This is how it's going to look. Wow, that was, wow. I don't know if you can see just how much dirt is coming out from underneath. And then what I do is I got one of these nice cleaning cloths. Just put it on there. Really. I think it's actually harder for me to get everything set up than it is to actually wash this car. How easy is that? And that's it. Just give it a good. But you can see it's minimum effort. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I have purchased numerous kits of cleaning. The car is always clean. Don't have a look in my shed. But I do take pride and joy in it. And you can see that it's very easy to clean it. I have had no problems. One may be that they could have actually given me an additional adapter so that I don't have to swap it over from underneath the chassis to the other, to the big bottle to spray. Maybe you can buy them separately, I don't know. But that's probably me just being a little bit lazy of grabbing, and then carrying on. It is actually starting to be a beautiful day, and if you have to, the camera won't pick it up, but if you can see this beautiful shine on the car, so I would highly recommend it. I purchased it on sale. It was actually a 50% sale, so they do get to be pretty cheap. I think they're going for about $300 or $400 at the moment. But watch out, maybe there's Easter sales and things like that. Salty Schiff, I'm not in any way affiliated with them, but remember, I buy this stuff, I test it out, and I'll give you my honest opinion about it. This is what I'm going to use. Please like and subscribe. I am still going traveling, but as you can see, we're stuck at the moment because Leanne's working, I'm working, but there are a couple of other plans. We are doing a major overhaul at the back of this ute. So we're at the show yesterday, and we've purchased a few other bits and pieces for the ute. So watch this space. So yes, please like and subscribe. Thank you to all those that have joined this little group. There's nothing fancy, it's all honest. I'm not going to sit there and beat around the bush. If it's crap, I'll tell you it's crap. If it's good, it's good. Like and subscribe. Put a comment in if you're living in Australia. Geez, I've got plenty of hats and GME stuff. Just drop a line underneath and say free hat, and I'll post you one in and around Australia. I purchased a whole lot hoping to give them away, but nobody wants them. They're not that bad, they're free. So have a wonderful week, and catch you on the flip side. Cheers, guys. The all-inclusive ultimate off-road care kit will ensure the longevity of your exploration vehicle, from preserving metal surfaces to paintwork and special coatings. They have curated everything you need for optimal upkeep. Salt Shift formulas feature specialized shellating agents engineered to effectively break down salts, mud and limescale, alongside corrosion inhibitors that actively slow down the corrosion process. Their industry-leading surfactants generate a thick foam application for a thorough and safe cleans, combined with innovative hardware to make cleaning easier and more effective, reaching those areas others can't. Proof is in the pudding. How's that? Really, really clean. And it's all because of